So something's going on. So it was misfiring really bad on our way here. We barely made it to the event. It was just like super bad. So I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe I just need to like get this battery terminal on a little bit better. We'll see. So trying to dive into it. I have no brakes right now. Oh my gosh. So it looks like this broke. So that cap for the vacuum on the brake booster, it seems to be like the problem, because I had no brakes and it just seemed to be misfiring a ton, which made some oil spew out of here. So it was just super aggressive, super violent. Otherwise, when it was running normally, we didn't get any oil blow by. So we're gonna see if we can get a new cap at an auto parts store, and then we should be good to go. Just old parts, old cars, but at least we made it to the rally. So still looking forward to it. We just gotta get it fixed, pass tech, and be on our way for a first run. This is getting it so bad.
All-wheel drive, what do you think? I think he needs all-wheel drive, what do you think? I didn't hit the cone though. Well, that first one was freaking ridiculous. Mud was going everywhere. I couldn't go anywhere. Just like first gear limiter the whole time. First gear what?
First gear limiter the whole time. That was me.
It was gnarly.
Go hit cones.
Yeah. Good luck, bro.
Thank you. All right.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
That was ridiculous.
Drive fast, 6 in.
Oh my gosh.
You and I might be done.
This is rally. This is rally.
So's that one.
Oh my god. Come on.
A little bit better, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Come on.
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
No way!
I told you!
Dude,
No way!
I'm telling you.
Is that legit?
That's legit.
Whoa! Is that legit, bro? 72? Oh my gosh.
Bro, 12 seconds. Dude, I thought you were moving, bro.
Really? I was like, I was trying to like stay it in gear, second gear, and bog it and just like get the grip, bro.
So the first part of the track right here is too soupy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
The last part, you're moving. You got grip.
Dude.
You did great, dude.
Oh my goodness, bro. I can't believe that.
Dude, you're only 8 seconds off of the Subaru.
Wow. I mean, I know totally different, but like,
Yeah.
that's not bad.
What are you waiting for?
Dude, I can't believe that, bro. All right, we're going for our 4th competition run. The first one was really bad. It just couldn't figure out the course. It was super muddy. Second one was a little bit better. We were just trying to find grip in the car, and then third one was our best one. We shaved off the most amount of time, and well, just kept it in second, just tried to bog it and pedal it the whole time. But the second half of the course is getting more dry, so that's going to be our section to just punch it. So we're gonna see what we can do, and hopefully break into the 60s, because some of the stock rear-wheel drive cars are breaking into 60s. Like, we'll see.
Yeah, that's so much better already. Hell yeah.
Oh gosh.
Hell yeah. Yeah!
Woo, 65.
Was that us?
That was us.
Woo!
better.
Break it up. Come on.
I don't know why it's cut. Dang it.
Oh my gosh.
I think the last one you should do on your own
Okay.
and make it, bro.
Thanks, bro. But did you see how when I pinned it, it took off?
Yes,
Instead of like just fussing with it, I gotta just pin it, bro.
I think so. Like it didn't like that at all.
It didn't like when I was like modulating it. It loved it when I just went, fuck it.
All right.
We'll do that and see what we get, bro. I want under 60.
So close.
So close.
So you saw what I meant about the back end. Go.
Yeah, yeah.
You got that. Oh man, it's so badass.
Thank you, bro. Well, the rally event is over. The car held up, and we definitely had some issues. So basically, like the mud was definitely a struggle, but having the LSD, if we didn't have the LSD, we wouldn't have gone anywhere. And we ended up throwing down a 56 at the end, but they counted my cones past the finish line, which is kind of ridiculous, but if they didn't count those, it would have been a 54, which would have been a second off the fastest time in our class, which, you know, second event ever, not even having this thing dialed, like that's just unreal. So taking a look at the car, she definitely needs a wash, but she's got character now. I mean, we're just on a street tire, and we still can hook pretty good, thankfully, to this LSD. So shout out to Racing Diffs. We fixed the issue with the breather for the brake booster. So thankfully my dad was actually able to get a 90 at Napa. AutoZone and O'Reilly's didn't have it, so that definitely like made us, you know, like it helped the engine run so much smoother because we had so much vacuum leak. And I had like some tape on it before, which made it like whistle really bad, and it just wasn't it. So we got some oil from the breather. We got dirt all over the place, just mud slinging around. So we definitely have to clean it up, fine tune some things, put like a hose to divert the oil away, put another bracket to hold this in place, make sure the coolant's topped off. We are running 30 psi of tire pressure, which is actually, you're supposed to run a minimum of 35. So if I had a little bit more tire pressure, you know, the grooves on the actual surface of the tire would have been able to hook instead of my sidewalls. But the thing is that after, I mean, I was thinking that because we upgraded just about everything in the front end of the car, that the front suspension was supposed to be stiffer, and that's just not the case. So I think moving forward, we're gonna have to figure out some sort of solution, whether it's to get like solid top hats with 240 coil conversion, do like a stiffer IPD front spring or something, because right now it's just the front bounces too much. The rear's fine, but because you want that to be soft so it can grip, but the front, you know, the weight of the engine and all that is just, it's too much. So we got to figure out a solution there. Also, you know, taking off the wheel spacers, switching to like an OEM wheel to, you know, bring the wheelbase in, get some more grip in the car is definitely, you know, on the, like if we could do that and get some good tires, you know, go back to a 15-inch tire or wheel with a 15-inch tire from Tire Streets that everyone's running here, I think we could, you know, do so well, especially if we strip out some of the interior, get some weight off this thing. This thing would be a weapon. So it's cool. We're just figuring out all the little things, and it sucks that we have to figure these things out as we're at the track, but it's all a part of it. It's all fun. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to, you know, subscribe for more. We saw some other cool Volvos. We saw a 244. I'll put his Instagram right here. He was awesome. He was ripping it. I mean, I think he beat me on the last run. He was moving, and he has an open diff, but he's got the 15-inch tires, the 15-inch wheels that I was talking about. 240 is a little bit more narrow wheelbase, so there's definitely some factors, but he was ripping it. It was cool to see that. There's actually another Volvo, like a V50R design, that's supposed to go out this afternoon, so I'm excited to see that. Appreciate you guys, and hope you guys are stoked with the content. I'm just like having a blast, you know, get some seat time, and there's so much to come, so stay tuned. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.